when you graduated from law school, you were interested in criminal justice for the most part, weren't you?
Well, I was interested in a few different things. I was interested, I had that math background, and so I was interested in
Yeah.
finance. I was interested in technology. I was interested in criminal justice, and I was interested in government generally. So kind of what's happened in my career is I've done them all. I graduated from law school. I went down to Wall Street to do finance, and I did finance a bit, but I actually I kind of felt I wanted to be building things.
Yeah.
I didn't feel good. Just didn't quite feel good about trading money. I respect that. I respect it even more now than I did then. But
You do respect it?
It has its role. Somebody's got to do it.
I mean, you respect it after what's happened?
People blew it.
Yeah, okay.
People blew it. They overreached. They were greedy.
Right.
But somebody's got to move the money around the economy.
That's true. And someone with integrity needs to do it.
Absolutely. And there need to be rules in place which we've relaxed to far too great an extent down on Wall Street. But what I actually did during most of those years was build software. I gravitated over to doing that, and I built system software for trading systems and security settlement systems, and that's what I did for about 8 years until I decided I wanted to come back to serve the public and and come back to criminal justice, which is what I did in 1992.
You came back, and what was your criminal justice job?
I was able to come back to be an assistant attorney general for Scott Harshbarger when he was attorney general.
And you maintain relations with him, don't you?
Sure, absolutely.
And what kind of cases did you pursue at that time?
I did a few different things. I was in consumer protection first, right. And so that's about businesses taking advantage of people, and I kind of grew in that particular field, gravitated over into the area of the most serious cases that basically amounted to criminal violations, and so I became deputy chief prosecutor in the Public Protection Bureau, which was about trying really egregious cases of people basically stealing. They sort of looked like consumer protection cases, civil cases, but when you really looked at it, it was a criminal case, and so that's what I did for a while. And then I went over into the narcotics division for a couple of years, and I did narcotics cases.